Before recording this video, I organized my coding very well. So now we can navigate our coding easily. Now let's open the index.html file. Now I want to add headings on my web page. Heading over here, and also I want to add few text line explaining about legal notice. So for now, let's create the heading. For this, let's go to index.html file, and after closing div id head, create the new div id and rename it and give the div id name text_head, and I add the few text and I close the div id. I want to review one more time. I just create the div id, new div, and I give the id name text_head, and I add the few text as our heading, and I close the div. Now let's go to style.css file to apply the style to this div id. Now let's start to apply style sheet. Let's set the value with 500 pixel, height 30 pixel, float left, and I want to text align left. Let's set background color black, and let's say text color white. Now save this style.css file and index.file. Now reload the web page. Now we can see the heading Nepal, the land of Buddha and Saranatha with background color black are displayed. Now let's create the legal notice at the bottom of our web page. For this, go to index.html, locate the div id text and closing the div. After closing div id text, create the new div and give the name id name. I just give the name legal and close the div. Now I want to give some information about copyright of this web page. For now, I want to display the copyright symbol in my web page. If we look on our keywords, then we cannot see the copyright symbol. For this, let's press and hold down Ctrl and Alt key and press the C. Now the copyright symbol. Now we got the copyright symbol, and type few text www.jeevantha.com. Now save this file. I also want to use some style to this div, so copy this div id and go to style.css file. Now let's start with health, and I want to set the value with 800 pixel, height 20 pixel, background color black, and text color white. And I want to float left. Now save this file and reload our web page. Now you can see the copyright symbol, copyright@www.jivanthapa.com is displayed, but there is some text are missing. To solve this problem, now let's set the font size. Let's say 10 pixel. Now save this file and reload the web page. Now you can see copyright@www.jivanthapa.com. Now if you notice, the navigation bar is floating center. I want to float the text these two navigation bar on right side, right exact here. So I want to float the text right. For this, let's go to coding, style.css file, and locate the navigation here and set the value text align right. Now save this and reload the page. Now you can see this is the text of navigation bar is floating right. Now next big problem in our web page is the text. Now you can see our text is bigger than text area. So to solve this problem, to fit these text on text area, let's go to coding and locate the text area. Now let's remove the height and let's increase the width of text area is 290 pixel, and go to main body in our style sheets and decrease the margin right to 10 pixel and set the value font size 12 pixel and text align justify. Now save this style.css file and reload our web page. Now you can see the text is fit in text area. So now you almost solved the major problem. So see you in next video.